Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you the 4 types of functions that we study in Algebra 1. These are the most common ones that you will see. So your job this week is to make sure that you can recognize the names of the types of graphs that we give you. So the first one is the most common one. It is the linear graph. Linear should tip you off. The word line is in there. So any graph that is a straight line, whether it be increasing like this one or decreasing like this one, is called a linear function. Absolute value is a graph that is V-shaped. It could open up like this, or it could open down like this one, but it cannot open side to side. The way that I always remember absolute value is that value begins with a V and all of the graphs are V-shaped. Quadratic is a type of graph that we're going to get really into next semester. Quadratic is a little confusing. It has the word quad in it, which means 4, but it's not really. We'll get into that later. So it has a U-shaped graph. It could open up, it could open down. It cannot open side to side, just like the absolute value. And then exponential graphs are the graphs that start by going up slowly and then increase quickly. Or they can go the other way. They could decrease rapidly. Exponential graphs are actually quite important these days because that is how the positivity rates are calculated for COVID-19. Fun fact, it's exponential. All right, so down at the bottom we have a little bit of examples here. Our job is to decide which type each of these functions are, whether they be linear, absolute value, quadratic, or exponential. So if you look, A is a V shape, so this one is absolute value, and I'm going to write ABS for absolute value. This one goes slowly and then increases very quickly. This one is exponential. This one is U-shaped. That makes it quadratic. This one's a straight line, so it's linear. We have a U-shaped graph again, so that again is quadratic. A V-shaped graph is absolute value. A straight line again is linear. And finally, this one decreases quickly and then slows down, so this is exponential. And that's it. Those are the 4 words you're going to need to know. If you make flashcards or something like that, it would really help you learn those 4 words, but you are required to do so. So please make sure you practice that.